In this video, I'm going to explain you that how you can use AlignBooks desktop application. So I'm starting from the desktop app. This is my desktop application icon. If you will double click here or I'll enter here, you will get one form where you can put the user ID and password. Then you will get this login. Once you will log in, for using AlignBooks, basic configuration is required. So here we have an option of company setup where you can make some basic configuration which relates with the company, HR related, user management, user shortcut keys available, warehouse management. So basic, if you want to start, so you need to click on company setup so that accordingly you can configure your company like company name, company logo, company address, country, state, city, website details, statutory details, whatever information you have, sir, you can put all information which is relates with the company from here. Here we have an option of general setup. In general setup, we are providing some extra features like multi-currency feature, multi-location feature, book start date, tax applicable, GST, not applicable or VAT. So basic configuration which relates with the general setup, you can make the configuration from here. Now I'm coming for the sales setup. In sales setup, we have a provision like while you are making the invoice, so you require a logistic information or not. So if you'll enable the option, this logistic information will appear while making the invoice. Credit control, document classification, salesman required or not, agent is required or not. Tax configuration. Tax configuration means while you are making the invoice, sometime customer making invoice inclusive of GST, sometime exclusive of GST, or sometime customer has a requirement like they want to change at the time of making the transaction, inclusive and exclusive. So options are available with us. Stock posting, round off you want to enable or not. Some extra information we are also providing that is called a sales custom field here. Captions is available like whatever extra fields you required for making one in sales invoice. So you can create your sales configurations from sales custom fields. Customer custom fields is also available. Billing setup on item level and document level. Both are available. So if you want to enable discount option, you can put the caption discount. Type can be a fixed amount or calculation. Accordingly, it will calculate. So these are the basic configuration we are providing in sales setup. Same process we are following in purchases also. Like logistic detail, document classification, text configuration, stock posting, round off option, billing setup at item level and document level, both are available here. Now major part is inventory. In inventory, we have so many features we are providing because we can use align books in different vertical also. So sometime customer has a requirement for double unit option. So they can use double unit. I'm giving you one example. Let's suppose I'm selling one pencil box. In one pencil box, I'm selling 10 pieces. So if I will choose one box, my 10 quantity will reduce from my stock. If I want to reduce 5 quantity only of particular pencils, so we can reduce the 5 quantity also. Warehouse management is available. Sometime customer has a requirement for barcode scan lookup. So we have a provision for barcode scan lookup here. Minimum stock level is available. Allow negative is available. Sub item is available. So feature wise options are available here. Now I'm coming for the main part, sir. Basically, if you are in pharmaceutical, so you require a batch number. So you can enable your batch number here or expiry date. If you are a mobile distributor, mobile manufacturer, or any electronics device manufacturer where you require a serial number, so you can use this application. You can enable this option and you can use this application like this way. Same process we are following here, which relates with the if you want to make some transaction while making the purchase or sales, like in garment sector, you required color, size, brand, salesman. So if you want to enable that features, you can enable in document item attribute. So several features we are providing in inventory. Now I'm coming for the transactional part that how you can use this application, how you can create a product, how you can make one invoice. So in inventory, we have so many features like some modules like item master, manage product, stock adjustment, material issue. I'm going to show you that how you can create one product. So in Item masters, we have a, I have already created so many products. Let me just edit my one of the product. Let's suppose I'm editing my Coca-Cola product. So Coca-Cola is my product name. Under group can be a water and soft drink, or if I don't want to put any group, so I can put it default also. Category, if you want, you can leave it blank. Type is a finished product. Separate pack unit, if applicable, you can enable. Procurement type, it can be a purchase, it can be a production or production to make also. GST classification, you can segregate like how much tax is applicable for Coca-Cola. So if you want, you can create a new GST classification like HSN code and further information, or else if you want, you can edit the previous one. This is my HS number 1230 and tax is applicable on this product 12%. Why I am putting each and every information here? Because while we are making the invoice at that moment, we don't require to choose any tax percentage. If we want, we can put the selling price, purchase price. So all information is available. Now I'm coming for the inventory part. If it is applicable, if this product is applicable for batch number and expiry, serial number, garment type, so you can make the configuration as per your requirement. Custom field is also option is also available. If you are enabling any miscellaneous while you are making the configuration, so all on option will appear here. Now I'm going to show you that how you can enter one purchase bill. In purchase, we have a vendor option, price list, order, GRN, purchase bill. Let me show you that how you can create one purchase bill. So if you click on purchase bill, you will get one more form. Here we are providing some GST type like tax invoice, import, reverse charge. So all in option are available. I'm choosing tax invoice. Type. There are two type of purchase invoices available, credit and cash. If I'm choosing credit, so it will auto impact the account ledger accordingly. Now here I'm choosing the vendor. If vendor is not exist, you can create a new vendor by adding the name. Let's suppose I'm choosing Align Books. So if vendor is not available, so system will ask you that do you want to create a new vendor? If you'll click yes, then system will ask you all information. You can just simple enter. Then you can put your all information which relates with the vendor like social media, statutory information, miscellaneous, bank detail, or any user defined fields if you have enabled. Now you can just simply save this transaction by Control S. Now here I'm choosing my supplier bill number. If supplier bill number is applicable, here I'm choosing the product. I have created one Coca-Cola. So Coca-Cola is appearing like this. If you want to put that extra information, you can put all information. Otherwise, you can click on, you can press the escape button. So this will disappear. Now I am choosing the quantity, putting the rate. All information will auto come like text code. Each information is coming. Now I can just simply press Control S. System will ask you to save, or else you can just click here save option. So I'm just saving this transaction. So this is the way that you can generate one purchase invoice and you can create a new vendor while you are making the transaction. One more thing, if you are entering one purchase and if the product is not available in the list, so you can create a new product by clicking here. So again same window will appear that previously we have created the product. So this is the way that you can enter the purchase bill. Now I'm coming for the sales part. In Align Books, we have two options for making an invoice. One is the sales option. Second one is the point of sale system. Point of sale is basically for the retail counter. Means if customer, if you are a retail distributor or retailer, so at that moment you are getting a walk-in customer. So here we have an option of point of sale. Point of sale. Once you will click on point of sale, this window will appear. If customer don't want to share their contact number, you can choose the customer cash customer. It's a by default customer, it will appear. Otherwise, if you want to create a new customer, so you can put a customer mobile number. I'm just choosing here 916 Let's suppose I'm choosing the customer. So system is asking customer not found. Do you want to add? So if you will click yes, then one more window will appear. So let me just choose my customer name. I'm just putting the my name here. Again, I'm putting my mobile number. Now I can simply save this transaction. All information is available, like date of birth is also available, country, state, city, but that is not a mandatory. Only mobile number and name is mandatory. Now system is showing us like customer name and all information. Now here we have a two options. If you want to scan the product, so option is available with us. I'm choosing 201. If product is will not found, system will show us like this item is not found in the software. So I can scan again product with the exact code. This will appear like this. If you don't want to scan the product, you can choose the product name from here also. Now if you want to save the transaction, you can just click on save. System will not allow to save because you have not completed the payment mode. So you need to complete the payment also. Like customer is paying through cash, card, credit sale, loyalty points. Options are available with us. And one more thing, if you want to give some discount to your customer, like 10% discount, 15% discount, so system will auto calculate like this. Now I'm just collecting the cash, 135 rupees, then okay. If I want to save this transaction, I can save, or else I can just click on print option. My invoice will save and I will get the print also. I'm just saving this transaction. So this is the easiest way we have for making one invoice in Align Books. Now I'm coming for the reporting part also. In Align Books, we have a several reporting like trial balance, customer trial, supplier trial, stock trial, some MIS reporting which relates with the profit and loss, balance sheet, ratio analysis, sales analysis, you can get it. GST reports is also available. Finance related ops also available like day book, cash book, bank book. All information which relates with the trial balance like trial balance, sub trial balance, location wise trial balance, day wise trial, month wise trial, ledger information, TDS register, customer related report like sale register, estimate register, customer related report, linkage report is also available, supplier related report is available. Now I'm coming for the inventory reports. In inventory, we have a several reports like stock trial, stock summary, stock and aging, location-wise trial, stock at minimum level, item-wise profitability report, sale-based report, serial tracking, rate analysis, ratio analysis. So all information are available, which is relates with the inventory. Material issue report also available. Job work report is available. Job work inward report is also available. Employee report is also available like employee register, employee attendance, attendance for the day. POS register is also available. Like if you want to see like how much sales you have did in mode of cash, card, Paytm, so you will get all information which relates with the POS sale also. Production report is also available, asset reporting is also available. So if I'm talking about that reporting part, so all reporting is available with Align Books with 9 modules that we have integrated in 9 books like sales, purchase, finance, inventory, employee, point of sale, production, asset and reporting part. So now I'm summarizing this video. Like if you want to use Align Books in vertical, in different vertical, like in this application we have a 9 modules like sales, purchase, finance, inventory, employee, point of sale, production, asset and reporting part. Now if I'm talking about that vertical, you can use Align Books in normal trading, service invoice, garment sector, pharmaceutical business, uh, electronics business, mobile business. So we have a full feature in Align Books. HR payroll option is also available. Retail management is also available. Along with this, we have a loyalty program. If I'm talking about the retail sector, you require sometime promotion engines, loyalty program. So all options are available with us. So this is the summary of Align Books. Thank you so much.